Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Resetting the watch will remove all content and settings, and the watch will be the same as when new. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. In Settings, select General. Scroll down to the bottom of the General settings and tap Reset. Then tap Erase all content and settings. You will have to enter the watch's passcode to continue. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.